Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the account restricted issue on Chime. If your Chime account is restricted, it means Chime has temporarily blocked access due to unusual activity, verification problems, or security concerns. The first thing you should do is check your email for a message from Chime. They'll usually explain the reason and next steps. If it's a verification issue, open the Chime app or website and make sure your personal information, like your full name, address, and social security number, are correct and match your ID. Then, upload a clear photo of your government ID if they request it. If you didn't get any email, contact Chime support right away through the in-app chat or by emailing support@chime.com. Explain that your account is restricted and ask for details about what's needed to unlock it. Once Chime confirms your identity and reviews your account, access will be restored and you'll be able to use your funds again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.